Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the ultimate inside-out grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, so first things first, you need 2 pieces of white bread, then you need some cheddar. Alright, with those ingredients you're going to start off with some margarine. That's right, I used margarine and not butter. And make sure to set off the smoke detector because you need to let everyone know that you're making a grilled cheese sandwich. Then you spread your cheese over your piece of bread and make sure to pat it down. Let them know that you care about them. Alright, place the other piece of bread on top and flip it. Boom. Make sure to spill out some of the cheese because there's a little bit too much cheese in there, so you want to just let some of it fall out. Alright, do the same thing with the next side, except we're going to put some cheese on top to make the inside out double grilled cheese layer. Pick it up with your spatula and do an amazing flip. Boom. As you can see, it completely fell apart. That was totally planned because once again, I felt there's just a little bit too much cheese inside. I just wanted it to all fall out. Alright, another layer of cheese on top to create the other side of the crust of cheddar. Once the bottom side is cooked, make sure to pry it off of the pan because it will be stuck. And make sure that a piece of it just completely comes off. So then you have a piece just dangling right there. It's okay. We do want to do that on purpose because we're going to glue the sandwich back together with a little bit more cheese. Because actually I did decide that I want a little bit more cheese. You can see I'm just sprinkling it on there. I'm just going to use it just like glue. Cheese, glue, same thing. Alright, put a little bit more because I feel like I need a little bit more adhesion. Make sure to drop some of that cheese into the pan. Alright, now I'm going to flip it over and just solidify that adhesive layer of cheese. Boom, perfect. Alright, here's a look at the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. All that's left is to plate it, and bon appetit. You guys ready? It's okay.